rotate the blower on a little bit more, right?
Oh, fuck.
All right, left side and where?
Back right.
Back right.
Hey Rick, where are the football games supposed to start?
Got 3% at some point in that crown, so out of time I can barely make it up the hill.
All right, so 165. Knock the brakes off. Unfortunately, that's the end of the railroad. So we're going to do another couple hundred feet of track before we run out of property for now. But that's basically it. It's like a roller coaster. 90 seconds later, it's over. all the suspense is like, yeah, all right, we're done. Brake all the way on. You can also put this in forward and it gives a little bit of back pressure in the cylinder. And then if you need to actually stop, give a little bit of throttle. Then you can stop yourself. Now that we're stopped, it won't move. Oh, there she goes. Yeah, see, that's overcoming the brakes that I've added to it. Big hill for a lot of weight.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a combination of the hill, but it's like the big thing is those cylinders. You saw how big those cylinders are.
Yeah.
And they, when you get it pulling, especially when this thing was in steel mill service, it was pulling a lot.
1,000-ton ingot mold train.
Well, that's what I'm thinking. Like, this feels very inefficient compared to like what some of the steel process was.
When you think about these, were the backbone of the steel industry too.
Oh yeah.
You need a product move.
So we're getting ready to go here.
Yeah, so these things would move like move like the charging cars and ladles into there, and then when they were coming out, they'd pull out a train of loaded ingot molds and then put an empty one back in.
It would have been a
Line,
one-man
ready to
operation
go.
up here, right?
Yeah. You didn't. You had an engineer, and then you had somebody on the ground, basically, a couple of the cars.
It just feels so inefficient almost.
Yeah.
Nice little stop. Hear that water in the tank.
Yeah. Sloshing.
All right. Well, take her back down. So you
Leave it in forward or put it
put it in reverse. Because you'll need a little bit of throttle to get moving. Next one.
Rick, we're gonna stay at about 150 going up the hill.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, that's fine.
Not gonna
She
break
seems
off
to
the
like
crack.
58 seems to really like to stay at around 150 mark.
Yeah. We'll see what you want to do, and we can go to 200.
Yeah.
Because I have some more track.
You gotta get that pump working on the floor, right? Just bump the pressure up. This one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, this is gonna basically replace one of the injectors.
But that can go to higher pressure, right?
Yeah. Rick, you said this Gardner Denver pump can basically have the same flow rate as that injector, right?
Well, basically, we're going to get rid of the little one. Back for that side. Have this one.
And that'll be controlled from the valve with the metal here and light them off.
So what are you gonna do? Just put like a coil in the smoke box, or have something where you actually use the steam?
Not sure yet. Release the brake.
Brake.
Yeah, I haven't really figured that part out yet.
Yeah.
What put heat exchange.
I am kind of curious on the design.
See what happens there is you didn't release the brake fast enough.
Stalled.
And so we stalled right here.
Yeah.
So just give her a little throttle. Sometimes I come down the hill and forward and I go to give her a little throttle and go the other way. Great. Oh, that's good right there. All right. Well, who wants to go next?
You want to answer? Yeah.
Tot up there, boy.
Thank you. Do you want me to take one of you, or either of you guys a minute? You might be the better cameraman.
Just slow, just little by little.
What we got water-wise?
We're about.
What's that?
probably a little bit under second up, under level well.
Right. So because everything is a hill, there's only certain locations that you can really get a reading that mean anything. So if we're always checking the water, nope, forward one more. Right there. All right.
I'm gonna stand back here.
Release the brake. There, that's you've taken a rod engine up a 6% grade. I guess the largest grade that a rod engine works on in regular service.
Yeah,
8%.
Right now.
It used to be 8.
You know,
The incline in Indiana. Okay.
I mean, but for a heritage railroad
Yeah,
right
really.
now,
So
so you got
drop
the
it
shays
to-
down there at calf. So
So
put
drop
that
it
in reverse
To
here.
this one?
Yep. And release brake. You turn off the blower. Yeah. Just enough to get a little momentum going, and then shut it back off. And you just leave that on unless it looks like it's going to stop. No. You're just riding the brake all the way down.
Yeah. I can tell these brakes are pulling back and walking away.
They are. What's worse is it's on something that I designed to build.
That's scary.
Release the brake now. Not yet. Brake. Release the brake. It'll pretty much coast down there. Alright. Well, that one shut the seat
Oh.
on.
Good.
So what's the water
Oh, wait.
level?
We just gotta settle down now.
You're kind of like just below the